Where does the name for Boughton come from? So today I'm in Cheshire. I'm in a suburb of Chester called Boughton, just to the east of the city centre. The name is made of two parts. Bough, which comes from Old English bucca, which is somebody's name, and it's related to the word buck for deer. And then we have tun, which means a settlement or a farmstead. So the settlement of Bucca. So one of the more noticeable landmarks in Boughton is this tower behind me, and it's called the Lead Shot Tower. And it's called that because people would drop molten lead from the very top of the tower all the way down to the bottom, where it would form a perfect sphere for use in guns. So the name of the suburb literally means the settlement of Bucca. Anyway, thank you, diolch. Give us a like, give us a share, and give us a subscribe. And if you want to help support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.